Hello everybody, in this video we're going to learn about margins and padding. By the way, this video is part of a larger course about Bootstrap Studio. You can find the full course on Udemy or Skillshare. Check out the link in the description. Margins and padding are basic HTML/CSS properties, which we can use to modify the layout of the elements and their contents. Each element takes up a certain amount of space on our page. To visualize how much space, we can easily add a border and a background color to each element. Let's do this for the paragraph. First, select the paragraph either on the canvas or in the overview panel in the column on the left-hand side. In the appearance panel on the background, we can pick a background color. I picked green. Next, set the border. You can set the style of the border, the color, the width, etc. I will set the border style to a solid line and I will set the color to blue. As a result, we see that the border and the fill color have changed. We see that the element width takes up the entire page and the height of the element is basically as tall as its content. The schematic up here gives a quick overview of the current margins and padding. The width is currently set to the same width as the page. The default value of the height depends on the font size and how many lines of text there are. And down here we have margin and padding. So what's the difference between margin and padding? Margin specifies the outer distance. In other words, how far the element is pushed away from other elements. We see that the paragraph is pushed inwards and downwards by 10 pixels. The size of the element needs to decrease to provide more space for the margins. Padding, on the other hand, is the inner distance. It specifies the distance between the border and the content. As you can see, the text is pushed to the right and the height of the element increases to provide enough space for the padding. If you would like to set specific margins and padding for the top, bottom, left and right edges, you can click on the arrow over here and set the values over here. Incidentally, if you are interested in setting the maximum or minimum width and height, you can click on the arrows here. By the way, one useful thing in CSS is that you can set the margin to auto. The left and right margins will be automatically set to equal, centering the element in the middle of the page. In this example, I set the margin to 10 pixels, spacebar, auto. That means that the vertical margins, the top and bottom margins, in other words, are set to 10 pixels, while the left and right margins are set automatically to make sure that the element is centered in the middle of the page. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we are going to explore how to add a more complex component, the navbar. See you there. Bye bye. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, why not support this channel by liking and subscribing? You can also check out my website for more free stuff. So long for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.